beauties, what's up and welcome to my channel today. I'm excited to bring you the final variations of your June Boxyluxe. We're going to just quickly go through them. The only thing I'm going to go in detail on is if there's a new product. And then after we go through the variations of the products, I have a little short clip of Joe, and he's going to talk to you about variations and a lot of things coming up in Boxycharm. So first, let's take a look at product number 1. These are from Tarte. Now, you have an option of 3 different palettes for product number 1. If you voted on getting a eyeshadow palette, the eyeshadow palette is called Be You Naturally. It's got warm tone and cool shades in it. It's got matte and shimmery shades. It's kind of half and half. The Tarte Pro Glow Face Palette, which is exclusive to Boxycharm. In this palette, you'll receive 2 blushes, 2 highlighters, and 2 bronzers. One of the bronzers is matte and the other has a little sheen to it. The last item is the Tarte Pro Glow Blush Palette. And in your blush palette, you'll get 4 shimmery blushes, 1 highlighter, and 1 bronzer. Moving on to product number 2. It's from the brand Pharmacy Beauty, and it's the Honeymoon Glow Serum. This sells for $58. This is a nice hydrating serum. Product number 3 is from Dr. Brandts. It's the Clean Biotic pH Balanced Yogurt Cleanser with Chlorophyll. This sells for $35. Product number 4 is from PYT Hair. It's the Mini On-the-Go Dryer for $65. This is a pink, purple, blue, or coral color, and it's a very powerful, portable mini dryer with 2 attachments. Now, product number 5. This is an option of 2 different items from Living Proof. The products from Living Proof come from their full line. You'll either get the Full Dry Volume Blast, sells for $29, or the Full Thickening Cream, which sells for $28. Your product number 6 is from Touch and Sew. It's the No Problem Prime Essence. Product number 7 is a variation of 2 different items. Your first item is from M Green Grass. It's a hand and body butter, and the scent is Summer in Nice. The scent of this body butter is coconut, cherry, jasmine, orange, lilac, and vanilla all mixed together. The packaging is very nice. It's a mason jar which you can reuse. And if you don't get this product, you'll receive from Skin & Company. It's the Truffle Therapy Refreshing Mist. This hydrating setting spray sells for $35. This is a hydrating mist formulated to soothe, protect, and illuminate the skin. This glow-inducing tonic is inspired by the Italian legend of St. John's water, a magical dew produced using flowers and herbs during the summer solstice. It's enriched with antioxidant-rich, soothing, and detoxifying botanicals, and like I said, it will give you a dewy look. This is a perfect setting spray for the summer. Before we get into product number 8, let's look at this little clip of Joe and Christian Dominique.
Hi guys, guess who just joined your group?
Hey guys.
Are you excited?
So excited.
You're in Boxycharm Beauties. You should cry.
I should cry.
So
I'm
excited.
inside. I'm crying inside.
You want to do live with Christian?
Come do live with me.
Alright, we're going to plan something.
You heard it there. She was referring to Boxycharm Beauties on Facebook. She joined that group, and We have found more details about the Dominique Cosmetics Lemonade Lip Gloss that's going to be in your box. The two options that they're offering us is Peach Tea. Peach Tea is a pinky peach high shine finish lip gloss, or you can get Strawberry Lemonade. Strawberry Lemonade is the bright pink high shine lip gloss, and these are very beautiful colors. They're giving you a peach option and a pink option, so I think both of these are good choices. Product number 9 is from Trusty Cosmetics. It's the Good Vibes mascara. It sells for $25. Now this mascara is special in the sense it has a eyelash curler built into the applicator. This is the first of its kind. If you're a collector of makeup, this might be one to keep. You can bring that mascara along with you and recurl your lashes. It looks like the lash curler can fit about half your lashes at a time. Next, I want to show you a clip that Joe Martin put out there this weekend, and it's a 5-minute clip, but I'm going to break it down into sections. The first thing he talks about is why we have variations. So let's listen to what he says about that.
So Charmers, it's been a while since I actually gave you an actual video like this that talks about what do we do and why we do it and all that good stuff. So I've been receiving some DMs that talks about why do you do variations, if I can stop with the variations and all that. So let's talk about variations. Why are the variations? Here's some of the reasons. First of all, you do take a beauty quiz. We're asking to take a beauty quiz. We're trying to improve, and we're going to keep trying to improve, perfecting the box for you. Understand that when the size of our community is so large, you can expect that everyone would like the same items. Yes, there are some that would be the same. For instance, in the next few months, I think July, August, and so on, you'll see the same item goes for everyone. I think for sneak peek 1 and maybe even sneak peek 2, it's all going to be the same, but then after that, it's going to start being with more variations. But overall, a variation is going to be more targeted towards what we believe you want the most. And it's going to be because of the fact that when you take a beauty quiz, you find different personalities. Everyone is looking for something else. There are other reasons when the size is really big. The community production can take way too long when you need so many units for everyone. So we're still not there, but we have a very large community now. And we understand that when you walk in the city of New York, and you would ask every single person with a particular age group that apply makeup, would you like this item? You're gonna have different answers. And that is why you need to start diversifying your products for your members, right? So it was different when we were in 2017, we're a smaller community, or 2016, but still, you'll still have some items that everyone are gonna receive, and it's gonna go like this until the end of the year. You're gonna see that. But sometimes there are tweaks. If we believe that some people have fatigue for, say, an eyeshadow this month, and we should go and play something else instead, we might do it, but we'll give it to those that we believe are looking for that. We're still having, in the next few months, similar items, same items goes to all. I mean, if you look at our boxes for the month of June, some items with the Tarte, there'll be 2 variations, but after that, the second line, it's the same item for everyone. So there are some, I mean, we don't give variations with every item, and not this year at least, but we're trying to get better, and we are getting much better with knowing what you're looking for. We're sending a lot of surveys, and you'll see it in the next few months, and that's just pretty much to explain to you how we do it. Of course, there are some variations that are larger than others. I mean, we might have 20 different variations. When you look at the last SKU that we have, we start with the first sneak peek, second and third. Some of them, they have plenty of variations, but we still have a dominant type of box that the majority might still get. So you might see more people receiving those because that's just something that we believe that would appeal for everyone and so on. But again, this is something that we get better at, but that is why we do a variation. we're not taking the beauty quiz because everyone is going to get the same product, obviously. So just a little note for everyone.
Okay, this first part of his clip here is all about why are we getting variations. He's getting lots of direct messages asking, why do we keep getting variations? We don't like variations. So he got on here to answer that question. And his point was, and remember, it's costing you $21. So try not to be overcritical, because you're not buying these 5 products that go in the Boxycharm. You're paying him $21 to give you a product that is valued at over $100. To be able to get that much value, you have to be in one of these subscription boxes, and Boxycharm does it good. If you want the exact products you want, the only other way to get those exact products is to go buy the $100 and something worth of products. So you have to look at the value also when getting upset about these variations. So that's what he said so far, and let's see what else he has to say here.
Moreover, I wanted to, since I'm already doing this video, a little update in terms of what we're thinking. Skincare and makeup is what drives our community, and this is gonna stay on our base box. It doesn't change. We'll introduce a lot of new brands, and older brands or brands that just joined will have more campaigns. Expect to see more product from brands that just joined, say this month, for example, and some other brands. Expect to see Sunday Riley, expect to see Glow Recipe, expect to see some new brands in skincare. In the color cosmetics, very exciting brands are going to come in. Some brands you've seen in the past, some brands you haven't. We have a lot of new collaborations over products that are unique just for us. No one else has seen this. I mean, I think next month there'll be 2 items or few items that are going to be unique just for Charmers. Just Charmers are going to get them, at least for the first time. Then it's going to be in stores. So there'll be a lot of items that you'll be the first to try. And I'm excited. This is something that not too many people would be able to experience. Right? And those usually are going to be the items that everyone receives. So that's one of those things. And that's it. We'll do some more of those discussions in the near future.
Did y'all hear that, ladies? Sunday Riley, yay! And Glow Recipe. Here are some of the products these companies have. And he also said some new makeup lines. I mean, I've seen some in other boxes that I'm hoping for here. So, I can't wait. And he'll have products that are exclusive. Like, this will be the first place they'll be introduced that won't even be out on the market yet. I mean, this is great. I think this will help Boxycharm stay on top, because, Boxycharm is the best box out there. My favorite is Boxyluxe, like everyone knows, and if that changes, I'll let you know. But for right now, Boxyluxe is my #1 box. Let's see what else he had to say.
And there's a very cool program that we're about to start in the next few months. I'll give you some more information here in the forums on the IG post or IG accounts that you'll see the fan pages. If it's gonna be Boxycharm sneak peeks or Boxy previews or some other ones, we'll start giving you some more information of what to come. It will be exciting, and I can't wait to tell you about it. So stay tuned.
Okay, guys, you heard it there. We have some new programs coming on Boxycharm. I have no clue what this could possibly be, but I will be watching and waiting, and I'll bring it to you as soon as I see any clues as to what it is. He's probably going to introduce it to Instagram, like he said, first, but I'll bring it to you on YouTube so you'll know exactly what he is talking about. So, some exciting things today from Boxycharm. So what are your thoughts on the June Boxyluxe Box? What is your favorite product? For the giveaway clue today, at the end of your comment, put what your favorite Boxyluxe product is for June. If If you don't get Boxyluxe, that's okay. Just say which product you would like to have the most. I'm just curious to see what you like in the box. Thank you all for watching today. Remember to comment for the giveaway. I would really appreciate it if you would share my video, and also if you're not subscribed, please subscribe now. If you liked my video, please give me a thumbs up, and until next video, take care. Bye. Mwah.